What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be putting a bypass valve on my Subaru WRX. I don't know how to do this, but we're going to figure it out. Okay, so first we're going to take the undercover tray off, and then I think that's all you got to take off to get to it. I hope, I don't know. So we took the intake off. Now we take this one off from here. Now we're gonna take this one off. Beast. Up.
Alright, so this is what we do when you know your neck is tired.
In 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Fuck. This shit's not coming out, man.
Well, you gotta hold your own neck.
Dude, fuck. It's not coming. Okay, so that was a little trouble. You just gotta fucking do some manpower to get that bitch out. My bad. Okay, fucking shit. So this shit, bitch ass. I mean, so for real though, you gotta like pull that thing out. That thing is crazy hard to pull out. Oh my god. Where's the new one?
Where?
That's not the new one, boy. Let me see this. Psych, nah.
You're good. Why you keep holding your head?
My neck, dude.
What's with your boxers?
Man.
That ass looks fat. Damn. I think you went to the side. All the fat came out.
Oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. My neck. Woo! Alright, so I got it in. Let's go do some pulls. I need to hear this sound. Let's go, boy. I'm gonna let these cars go. Is it recording? I heard a little bit. I heard a little one. When I shifted, it said.
Yeah, those duck lips there.
I said, damn. Okay, so my bypass valve sounds amazing. That sounds good, boy. So these are my my side skirts. Bam! I got them in gloss black. They look a little jacked up right now, but that's because this plastic film is clean as shit on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So I ordered some wheels, and they came in yesterday. I was so happy, right? I opened them. I got the tire package with it, and one of them isn't holding air, and then all of them are like scuffed up around. So I'm gonna return them. I already emailed Fitment Industries. I ordered from them and they fucked me over. So now I'm sad, and now I'm not gonna get those wheels. They were RPF ones. I was just gonna use them for the winter, but now I'm just gonna get something else. I'm not gonna get RPF ones now. But yeah, so we're gonna put these side skirts on and let's do it. Oh, I did it wrong. Gotta switch my gun. Oh, fuck. My butthole is tingling.
Let me see.
What?
Let me see.
All right, guys. So I got the carbon duckbill emblems. Yo, shut up.
Rainbow all loose. Look at this. I'm head
For real? Damn.
That's what got messed up and left the loose.
Oh hell nah. Anyways, carbon rear. I'm missing something there. Maybe something's coming. I don't know. Damn! Yo!
Hey.
All right. You guys can't see it from this far, but you can see it in person. It's glossed. It looks so good. It looks so good. I just need something in the rear. boy. All right, guys. Red Rexy here. Nice. My car needs a little something. Ooh, look at that shit. Damn.
Are you gonna get in the small one?